Momcozy nursing pillow for breastfeeding. So this breastfeeding pillow allows for more support for both baby and mom, allowing more comfort overall. So it has an adjustable waist strap, as you can see here, which really helps keep it in place and support without mom having to do as much work. So it does have a removable cotton cover, which makes it super easy for cleaning if anything were to end up on it, such as spit up. The pillow itself, the design of it allows for mom to have back support, relax your shoulders, gives the baby a bit more support. It has a pillow for their head, and even the position of itself should help reduce spit up, as well as give a security fence with the edge pillow, as well as arm support. So really gives a lot of help both for mom and child. Comes in a variety of color tones and really just helps free up your hands. Really a nursery must have.